What we have here is a Design House Manhattan, the seldom seen 42-inch Manhattan. The fan is made by Kontrust, which also made Forever fans and Sierras and possibly more. Here we have the fob. This fan mounts 4, 5, or 6 blades. The flywheel has two rows of screw holes. The 5-blade configuration uses an inner row, whereas the 4 and 6 blade configurations utilize the outer row. It should also be noted that the flywheel on these, yes, this is a stack motor fan using a flywheel. The rubber flywheel on these smaller 42-inch fans is, well, also smaller, meaning it's not easily replaceable. So if it breaks, you're boned, unless you know someone who makes them. Top of the motor. The fan dates to 1988. Can't be obviously as an original, just something I slapped together because screw it. So, anyway, see how it performs. Starting with low. It has a slight hum to it, but it's no louder than any Hunter. The RPM is pretty decent for a low. It's pretty average. Let's go to medium. Medium again is pretty average. Let's go to high. A little bit of wobble. One of the blades is a little out of clock. Tried to fix it as well as I could, but you can only do so much. Performance for a 42-inch fan is a little above average. This fan is not exactly designed to be a powerhouse like, say, 42-inch Casablancas. You know, those fans, they use, you know, full-size 52-inch motors, which run faster with a smaller load, or lighter load. This fan uses a smaller stack motor compared to the 52-inch fans, and therefore it's more tuned for, more average performance. Although it does move the air around, there's no denying that. It's a pretty decent performer. But it's not too powerful, if you know what I mean. Reverse it and see how it does with straight up acceleration from stop. If this were a Casa, that would start up pretty much instantly. This takes a little longer, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. And this fan has the 4-blade configuration going. It looks like one of those Casavia stacky things that Kmart used to have. But, nope, not one of those. Anyway, let's now turn it off. And the stupid heater decided to come on, but whatever. The bearings in this are good. No hissing, no noise whatsoever. The flywheel is also good, which is good, because if it fails, you are screwed, because replacements are not available. So it's either you have one made or you're shit out of luck. And even if someone did make a flywheel for this, it probably wouldn't be the 4 or 5 or 6 blade configuration. It would probably be just 6 blades or something stupid like that. You can see a bit of the out of clockness. But anyway, there you have it. A 42-inch design house Manhattan made by Kontrust.